Good morning, guys. Welcome to Paris. Ito, ang ganda dito, guys. Tada. Sa baba niyan is breakfast area. This is my outfit. Papunta kaming Eiffel Tower today. Tapos bukas, travel na kami papuntang Disneyland. This is my outfit. Ganda naman. Punta kami sa breakfast area. Sa ground yung breakfast area. Okay, what you gonna do? This is your hat. Okay. Yeah. No. Your things already had a few guys. Yeah. See what you got there. Morning, guys. Tada. Ang weather ngayon ay makulimlim. Kita nyo ako. Ako may papa, guys. Hi.
Hi.
Si outfit. So mamaya uulan. Kaya
I got my keychain. Like that.
yeah.
Still love Paris.
You bought already a souvenir?
Last night, tomorrow we're going to Disneyland.
Yeah. So dito muna kami sa Central Paris, guys. We're gonna hanging around muna here. Tapos punta kami na Disneyland.
Where?
Are you excited, Daddy, tomorrow? Yeah, are you?
Yeah.
Ayan, guys, tingnan nyo dito sa Paris. Mga restaurant. Eating. Maganda dito, guys. Malinis. Ayan, kita nyo, diba? Sobrang linis dito. Tapos yung mga restaurant ganyan, no? Ayan. Puro outside. We're going back here. Kasi kagabi, sarado na. So here, we're back in this place.
Sitting down like as if he's going.
Yun, yung magtatay, pagod na. What's happening to you guys? No one gonna give you a coin there. Because you look so fancy. Okay, look at me. You do this as well. Okay, come on, kami na. So, pumunta kami sa loob nito. Ayun na yung mga turista. Diba? Is it a church, Papa? Is it a church? Checking bag. So, dito na kami sa loob. Ayan. I have to buy ticket here. Ayan, guys. Oh, you put your ticket. You put your ticket there, baby. Okay, put your ticket there. Ayan. Tingnan nyo naman. Ang ganda, oh. Ang ganda na yung architecture. Pa. Nandun na yung mga bata sa tiyahin nila. May papa ko. Turista si papa eh. Sombrero pa. Ayan. Guys. So this is the thing. Si ate nandun lagi kay auntie niya. Wala tuloy photo.
Go and go further back. Sorry, turn around. Arms up. So look up.
Maybe sit down doon.
Oh, no, no. What is
See, di ko na ano hangin actually.
Look up.
So ito yung miniature model. So what is this
One of
called?
the areas we're looking at saying was in the 5th decimal. We're standing down here in Latin Quarter.
Coxworth Cathedral.
Ah,
Library.
model of the Pantheon. Pantheon? How do you pronounce this pa? Pantheon?
It may be different in French, but yeah, that's what.
Where? Go then. Go to your antenna. And then you go follow the sign, baby. There's ate. Nice. What's he doing? Bobby, so what you been listening? Oh, this one.
Like
Ah.
there, there's one there.
Oh, okay. Kasi siya merong sariling mundo andun. Na, come on, show a smile to auntie.
Auntie, come. Auntie, come.
Punta kami sa loob nito. Ayan. Sa ilalim to sa underground ng building. So, madilim. Mga bata. Baby, always make sure you're close to auntie, okay? Anak, come here na this way. So, madilim dito. Parang dungeon. Guys, o tingnan nyo itong mga to. Andito sa ilalim, nasa ground kami. O, binibisit nila itong mga nasa nicho. O, kapamilya daw nila to. Are you related in these people who are lying down in here? Are you visiting them? Your ancient family?
Look at the dates.
When did they die?
That one's 1818.
Woo.
So over there, there's 1975.
So there is, what do you mean?
1989.
So that's very, very old, super old.
Yeah, but over there's 1975 and 1989.
So 1975, that's the same age of you. Papa, you born 1975. Now come on, there are all the dead people there. There are all dead people there. You're not scared. So, yan yung nakalibing dito sa loob na yan. Tingnan nyo yung nicho niya. Ayun. Doon, from there to here. Over there, puro mga patay nandito. Ayun, tingnan nyo. Ayan. Mga nicho. Ayan. Baby, don't make a noise. You're waking up all the dead people here. See, yeah? Yeah, that one died 2002.
22 years ago, so that's...
See, don't jump. You're wakening all the dead people. Yeah, they're all dead, you know. This is dead people here. And this one is dead people. Dead people. Dead people there, dead people there. Sorry to mga to. Baby, you are visiting dead people. Let's go na. Finish na visiting all these dead people. That's closed. They're not allowing you to get in there. This one's closed. Come on. See, Zoe, your daddy's here now. This way. We're leaving. We go other side now. Ito naman yung mga pangalan ng mga taong nakalibing dito sa area na to. Ayun, tingnan nyo yung anak ko. Hi. talaga yung mga gusto nilang ano. That's a big urn. Is the urn? What's that one? There's no name on it. Why are you knocking it?
Because I'm saying I'm going to be arrested.
Jesus. Come on guys, go away. Zoe, get out na there. You even put your face on that. I think we already been there. Ay, come in there. It's cold there, by the way. Ay, not cold. It's dark and cold there. We're here in sa ilalim ng building, sa ground. Where did they go? Oh no, we can't go there. It's too dark there, I think. Let's go here. Come on. Hailey, we go this side. Hey, what are you doing? You looking all the dead people there? So yan guys. Hindi family dynasty na. Ancient people. Oh, he's a police. Ah, they are all policemen. Baby, look. You see in here. So are you reading their name?
Is there a woman?
Oh, there's one woman. There's one lady. No. Yeah, no names. No, there. And then, oh, there's Ati. They found us. Did you see this yet? Anak?
Police station.
Yeah, they're all policemen. May mga anak. Papa. We are in dungeon.
The crypt.
What do you call it?
Crypt.
Crypt. So yun, finish na. Ayun, natapos na kami tingnan tong mga dead people dito sa ilalim ng building. Sa ground. Oh, go ahead, you guys go toilet. Yeah, you've been here twice. So, ganyan talaga yung mga trick nila. Oh. Yung mga tahimik, educational. Oh, si Sia, pamaywangan pa eh. Si Sia, pangalawang beses na napabalik-balik dito eh. Baby, are you reading? Okay now. With me guys. Go with them. Go with them. Oh now, look. Sia, look. Sit down. Where are you going? Okay now, look at me. We're not too far, so we're close to each other. Sia, close to Ate.
Sorry.
Sorry. I didn't see it. Thank you.
They're looking those things. What are you doing? Pushing that. Okay, let's go na. We go Eiffel Tower. See ya, go baby. Baby. Turn around. See you this way. Goodness you are, madam. Ayun guys, tapos na kami dito. Punta naman na kami sa Eiffel Tower.